Hello. On my friend's request, I'm actually going to cook a very quick snack. It's called mathi in Punjabi or Mathiya, or it's even called Mathri, depending on which region in India you are from. It is so popular. It's such a favorite all-time snack, and this comes in many different variations. I'm going to do the plain, simple, basic mathi. It's going to take us 10 minutes to prep and 15 to 20 minutes to fry them. Mathi is a plain, crispy, melt in the mouth texture. You eat one and it is so moreish you want to have more, and they can be batch cooked and kept in the airtight container for at least 15-20 days, provided you can resist eating them by then. My name is Avtaars and I hope you're having a fantastic day. In a mixing bowl, I've got 1 cup of plain flour, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of caraway seeds or ajwain. It gives a lovely crunch to the mathi. Half a teaspoon of black peppercorn. Crush lightly. In they go. Mix all the ingredients together with your hand. My easy measurement is 4 tablespoons of cooking oil, and I just rub that oil into the flour. So all the oil is mixed together. For the measurement's sake, 1 cup to 4 tablespoons of oil, and I've got half a cup of water here. Gets added gradually. I've only added half the quantity of that half cup water because the dough that I want for this has to be very firm, otherwise your mathiya will not come out crispy. To leave this to rest for 15 minutes. Before I start rolling the mathiya out, put the oil into my kadai for deep frying the mathiya so that it will start getting heated. The atta has been resting for 15 minutes. Now I want to make these into the little discs or mathiya. So my efficient way of doing is this here. Roll this into a sausage kind of shape. Just going to chop it just about the right size. Cut the dough into same size of portions, so all your mathiya will be similar. Make them into little peda, as they call it in Punjabi. This will be rolled out. Start rolling these one by one, but they won't go into frying one at a time. They will go like a batch. Keep this covered so that the dough doesn't start getting dried up. I have actually rolled half the quantity of the mathiya. Now what I'm doing here is putting little cuts so that I do not want these to puff up. They're more like savory little discs. Let's test the oil. Stop there. Do not want to overcrowd, and they start coming to the surface of the oil. Let them get cooked. Important not to have boiling hot oil because that will cause them to burn from the outer surface and not cook right through. While one lot is frying gently, I'll come and roll some more. Turned into beautiful golden color from both sides. So my absolutely delicious batch of mathiya from that 1 cup of plain flour is ready, and you need to let them cool down before you store them. or even before you start eating. Now, I intentionally made a sample for you on which I did not put the cuts like I've done on the others. It has puffed up like a puri, and then because it puffs up, you're not getting even frying. This is how crispy they are. Very, very crispy. And I shall break one and it just snaps. You know, that's really nice. I just want to eat it all. But before that, I just hope you've enjoyed being with us. Until next time, goodbye for now. God bless you all. Take care. Bye-bye.